Well, we go through this little routine so often, like every day. And Mr. Bird, that big blue Steller's Jay sitting up there, he hangs out and visits for a little while, and he watches me put pecan chips down in all his favorite places on my porch. Then he comes down and bounces around from one place to the next, so we're going to see if he hits all 5 places today. He likes for me to talk to him too. Hey Bird, are you about ready to come get some of those little pecans? Think you might be interested in some free nibbles? He said, yeah, I'm watching the old fool. If I feel like it's all good, I'll just come down there and we'll go eat some stuff. Hey Bird, come on here, buddy. Come on down here where we can see your colors. He's just gorgeous. Little wild thing floating around in the forest. He's getting ready. I think he'll be down here shortly. We're just going to back this off a little bit so it's not jerking so much. Hey buddy, did you get hungry yet? It's the end of May 2019. There's a lot of green out here everywhere now. Whoop, here he comes. He said we'll start over here on this little crate. The old fool always puts my pecans down there. Have you had a pretty big day? Everything going okay to suit you? He said, well, yeah, I did have to worry about the neighbor's cat for a little while. But that crate right there that he's on is the first place that I put his pecans. See if I can hold this still, we'll get a little closer on him. Up top, he's just black. But in enough sunlight, most all that black is actually a blue that's so deep it looks black. Yeah, come on over here and get on the wood pile. There's place number 3 right there. Number 2 will be over on the table. Hey, buddy. And number 4 and number 5 are also on the logs here. He's got his little routine. There he went. Now he'll be off in the woods for, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes. And then he'll come back. It's an old man's pleasure to have this kind of unusual relationship with that guy.